Alright guys, I'm bringing you this video to show you how slow markets move on holidays. So as we can see, we're looking at USD JPY, and let's see how you guys the way I do it. So for the week, what we got here, as you guys can see, it's coming down to almost fire zone. When it's up in here, that's that fire zone for the buy, as you can see, buy, and that's the fire zone for sell, as you can see. So once it gets here, you see that you could have caught downtrend all the way down here. So as we're looking for the week, we know we should be looking for bull candles because this current candle right here, and based on this wick right here, it's letting you know reversal's coming anyway. So for the week, we're gonna be buying USD JPY. So let's look at the H1. It's consolidating. Today's a holiday, so as you can see from 20. Really all here for real. All that consolidation. When you see ways like that, it's consolidating. Doing the same thing here, consolidating. So if you're just looking at it, where you think it's gonna go? As you guys can see, this the high right here. Dropped another level to right here, and then another level right there. As you can see, it's just like a stairway down. Boom, boom. So when you're trading, you have to understand everything that goes up must come down. Everything that goes down must come up. So as we can see, it's in validation. Now we know based on the week, we should be buying, getting ready to buy. So look at your daily. It's going down. That's fine. It's gonna reverse later on tonight after New York session. So what could you do? If you let's say you want to scalp it, what will we do on a scalp? So as we can see, we can catch a quick short about right up in here or here. I would say roughly around here because that's the next pretty good zone. So 15 minutes, we're just letting it finish this ride up and we're gonna sell. So boom, I'm looking at the 15 minute. This only if we're scalping now. You see how these three bars it goes sideways? That bar is gonna come down. And I'll show you how. So looking at the thing, we know it's gonna go up. So go to the M1. It's not in my fire zone quite yet, so I'll go ahead and get my toolbar out because it's coming, and I'll just place a penny. It don't matter. So when it comes to entering, what I would do is just wait for it to hit the fire zone. See, it's almost there, almost there, almost there. It's gonna come to about right here or right here and continue following. So watch this. You guys want to understand how to get better at your entry, and you can sell, quick sell all the way down to here, either here. So just a little minor points. But when it comes to scalping, you see I got $150. So if I was actually scalping, I would go with this right here. To be honest with you, I would go with a 10-cent lot. See how the price finished, get ready to start dropping. It's gonna go on up a little bit. It's almost at my fire zone, almost there. So on the next bar down, since I'm only gonna sell the scalp, on the next bar down, that's when I'm gonna enter. It's that simple. Just waiting for it. See, it's about to start. See how it's in the fire zone, and boom, get in. Just get in. I think. Oh, there you go. I was wondering where it was. Accept, and voila. Boom. That's fine. It can do that. That's fine. Every time you start a trade, you're gonna go in the negative, so that's no worries. So you see, I got in right there. That would be called a minimum premature fire zone entry. That's fine because that would be my zone one. I would call that zone one because that's the first trade place, but it's more likely for you to get ready to go down. And then you would just look on your 5 minute, see how it's going down. And see on your 5 minute, it's not gonna go past here. So it's gonna go from right here all the way right there. We're at 113.68. So okay, no problem. So let's say you scalping and did right there, no problem. But boom, it's in your fire zone now. So you just place another trade. Now that's, you got your little zone. Let me zoom in on it. Nice little zone to play with. So it's just gonna fall down. See how I zoomed in on it? Went here, then it's gonna go there. That let me know that's what we call the hammer. It lets you know, hey, reversal, boom. Let's see. Just gonna go in that fire zone. And you just let it wait. You just wait for it. Let it do its thing. You done your part in that with the fire zones, and but voila, happens every time. As you guys can see, that's all it is. This is all it is. That's all you're doing. Now keep in mind, now, like I said, if it was a regular day, it'll be moving a little bit faster. But since it's a holiday New York session, it's not going to really be doing that much movement. So, if somebody was to say for the day, we're going to be selling for the New York session. So that, because when the New York session ends, and I'll show you why. Basically, as you see, it's consolidating, moving sideways. No major downwards, no major up movements, or anything like that. You can see it's in no trade zone. This is on right here from up in, all the way up in through. It's all pretty much only time you enter when it's in that fire. So with us knowing that it's gonna go down because of the holiday, just continue that trend down. Then when New York session is over, that's when you get in on your buy. But we're just focusing on scalping, which is 15 to 1. As you can see on the M15, it's going to start coming down. So if you were scalping, simply all you would do all day, work from the 15 to the, on the 1. As you can see, perfect entries down there. Boom. If that had a wick, that would have been a wick entry. So and that's all you simply do. 5 minutes. Once you place it on the M1, what I like to do is, since I'm working off the 15, I'll just look at the M5. Just keep track of the progress. As you can see, because I'm scalping, so commission, you're getting taken out 60 cents, so that's $1.20. So I'm already in profit, but I haven't cleared my commission yet. So, but don't worry about that. It'll do its thing. That's all you literally do for real. That's all you do. It's that simple. And just let it do its thing. Now when it comes to your swing trading, like we said for the week, we're going to go up. No problem. We know what's going up. So what can we do? Since we know the market is slow, we can just scalp all day. Write it down. And then as soon as the market starts to get closer to end for the session of the day, that's when we get in at the lowest low for that day and ride it to the highest high for that week. That simple, guys. It's that simple. As you can see, it's already doing its thing. Man, that's all you would simply do. If you guys that are working or whatever, if you look up, if you're trying to scalp on your break, if you're on your 10-minute break, I'll just go with the M5 and just keep it looking at it that way. Place your trades on your breaks, and then while you're working or whatever, some of you may have a desk job or whatever like that, and you just keep track from your phone. It's that simple. Or what else I try to do for other people is like another way you can do it. Say for example, if you was on gold. Let's say you was on gold. And let's say you're using the Fibonacci Miracle template. Alright, so the question I've been getting lately is, as we can see it's finna go up, but what we want to do is see what it's going to do for the week. And as we can see for the week, it's finna get ready to start going down. So, again, the market's slow, and as you can see, it's already going down. This Fibonacci miracle template will change, but for right now, it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. So if you were to use the Fibonacci miracle template while you're at work, as you can see, you already made this buy level, no problem. So what you could do is place another order at the stop loss, because it's gonna drop past this buy level and go to about right here and continue up. But if you so happen to miss it, all you have to do is just wait to re-enter. That's the thing that with forex, you just let it wait. Your entries will kill you every time. So if you're using a template and you at work, and let's say you getting up in the morning and boom, this is what it shows you. So all you could do is simply just see buy levels, see stop levels. All you have to do is just place an order, and then, well, let's see. They say 1240.38. So I'm gonna it's saying buy. So what I'm gonna do is this right here. So it's in the buy fire zone. So then boom, I just simply place a buy. You see it got me right there. So then I'll go back to my H1, and then you will go to your order, right click it, modify delete order, and as you can see, your first take profit level is at 1240. So you type 1240.38. Stop loss at 30. You see stop loss level. So 1, 2, 3, 5. Simply plug and play. 1, 4. Copy. Boom. Order. Now your order is edited. So you stop loss. You have take profit. Boom. That's simple, guys. Just simply plug and play. Let it leave. Let it do its work, and it'll be that simple. So it's gonna come down shortly, but hey, long term it's gonna go up. Not long term, but you get the picture. Because for the long haul, if I was to get in this, I would ride it down all the way to here, and that's when I would re-enter in on the buy and take it up for the long haul. But see, we're just working day to day. You could do this every day if you for those of you who are working your 9 to 5, you can easily just download this zip file in the files, copy and paste it into your designated areas if you follow the PDF, and just simply plug and play. Only thing that we have to do is you get up a couple minutes early just to understand everything, where it's going, market's going, and simply plug like I just did. Now let's go back to our JPY pair. As you see, that doji. So it came up a little bit on the M5, problem, gave us that doji. So what happens when doji comes? Reversal. So we're not even though it's doing this right here, we're not letting that intimidate us. Let's watch this. Boom. It's finna come all the way back down. So it's the lower time frame that you go, the closer you're getting into the market. So like this. As you can see, if you zoom out, market ain't doing nothing. Ain't doing diddly squat. Just going sideways to sideways. And that's what usually blows a lot of people's account, because they thinking, oh, it's gonna break out, or break down, and they get screwed over. But as you can see, this doji here letting you know, okay, it's coming. The buy is coming. It's gonna break out, go up here. So Fibonacci. If I want to bring this on Fibonacci, as you guys know, the tool is right here. So how would I know what to do? Simply, I went too fast. So if I was going on Fibonacci, and based off my stochastic, it's gonna go up. So when it's going up, what do? You go from your highest high to your low. Booyah. And so let's see how many pips gonna be from this point to this point. That's gonna be 40, damn near 50 pips.